Okay, so now you're going to start transferring. So I'm going to start with my features in here. If I count 1, 2, 3 squares over and 4 down, then I get to where my eye needs to go. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 over, 1, 2, 3, 4 down, and that's where my eye needs to go. And it's towards the bottom. So I'm going to look at the shape. I'm looking at my photograph and then back at my paper, trying to make them match. It is not a football shape. See, it's a little flat on this side because of the angle. So you're going to lay it in lightly first. Everything you're doing right now should be light. The pupil part of my eye is going over this line. I'm drawing a little bit darker than I should be so that you can see it on camera. Now I'm going to count over. I go 1, and actually my eye is going to come into this one, and it's still on this line here. It's blocked a little bit by my glasses, and it only goes to about half because of the angle here again. Make sure you're looking back at your photo, back at your paper, trying to make them match. See, I'm not drawing one line and leaving it. I'm kind of working out the lines as I go. And then there's this shadow that comes up here and to my eyebrow, which goes up into this space. So you're going to keep working your whole picture like that, counting over, landing where you're supposed to be. I want to show you here how I started with this line, I switched to this line, then kept kind of refining it, trying to get it to where it's supposed to be. Once I noticed that it wasn't looking right, there's not really this much space between my lips and this side of my face in this photograph, and I started checking the lines on here and making sure, ended up with this line. Now I left these until I got the line that I think that I want. Now I'm going to go back in and erase. If you erase first, people tend to draw the same thing over and over again and then get frustrated because they can't find the right line. If you leave them, you know you already drew there and you won't draw there again. You move it around until you find the right one.